their secrets, all their friends would visit me. If I could talk to money, and it could talk to me, we'd always be the best of friends for all eternity. Ooh, that reminds me. It's almost time to go check my profits. I mean, me patrons. These carnival games won't be around forever, so get in there and start playing. So don't miss out on all the fun. Welcome, one and all, to Mr. Krabs' Carnival Games, presented by the Krusty Krab. While you're here at the carnival, make sure to visit our electrifying collection of spectacular sideshows. Be astounded by the amazing Larry and his stupendous feats of strength. Get your palms read by the mysterious Madame Pearl, the swimming Swami. Cringe at the hideous sight of Harry Gary. And after you've had your fill of the carnival games, swim on by the Krusty Krab. And get your hands on the patty sensation that's sweeping the ocean.
SpongeBob!
Patrick, people are already in line. We gotta hurry up and get this standing stuff unpacked. Sea tomatoes? Burger buns? Frozen patties? Patrick, this isn't carnival game equipment. These are all ingredients for delicious Krabby Patties.
Wow! I was wondering why all these crates smelled so good.
Mr. Krabs is gonna be so angry.
Stop clowning around, you two. Mr. Krabs needs to get these carnival games up and running pronto.
It's too bad we can't just use this stuff.
Patrick, your genius is showing. No, I mean we can just use these Krabby Patty ingredients for the games instead.
Oh, yeah! Smart!
Now let's get this stuff unpacked.
Be sure to secure all the loose objects, including cell phones and other devices. And for everyone's maximum enjoyment, please, no eating, drinking, live photography, or videotaping. Only when you have your carnival.
Is a few ingredients, and the Krabby Patty secret formula will finally be mine!
Step right up and get your shot of bubble pop. Just point your pointers in the bubbles and start popping. Every hit earns you 4 points. Looks like you got the right idea. Pop, pop, pop. Stay loaded. I'll take that as a yes. Wow, some of you are really good at missing those bubbles. I just love onions.
I know. All this food is making me so hungry.
That gives me an idea for a new game. Follow me. All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready. They're ready. Now presenting in the center ring. It's time to feed Patrick. More Patricks over here. He's still hungry.
Where do you boys think you're going? All those Krabby Patties are costing me money!
Oh, it's better than that, Krabs. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula. You'll never catch me.
First! Oh, no, no, no! Don't let it get away! Two boys!
Baby, come on.
Get out the lab. Hurry.
Smash it! My lab! Not my beautiful lab!
Minutes later.
Well done, everyone! You stopped Plankton and saved me restaurant! Now let's see how you did on me carnival games! Not too shabby. I've seen better. Now to celebrate, why not head over to the Krusty Krab and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for the